some trim around the board. So since that's more the front, I'm gonna start with some red and then I'm gonna put some gold in the middle of it. So I just have a hot glue gun here. Ooh, just took away 2 of my pearls. And put a little glue there and get that on there. Okay, secure it first and then we can go all the way around. Actually, I might not put gold in the middle. I like it with just the red. To get rid of all these cobwebs because it's not a Halloween cake and you don't want to be eating those. Okay, go down to there. Oops. Trim that up, and voila. Okay, so I'll have to add a couple more pearls there. Okay, last thing would be the writing and the holly. Okay, so joy, Noel, believe, and peace. Where do we want these? Okay, this is more of the front here, and I think one definitely should go like in that area right there, like that. So again, this is something you could actually pop on once you get there. Because I wouldn't trust it staying. Ta-da! Cute. Okay, believe. Let me do that one. Down here. Let's see where that was going to sit. Here. Whoops. 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 That's not going to stay. Okay, so right here. And a little cleanup on aisle 5 here. Leave, and then I have joy and peace. Do, 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 do. Maybe I'll do that one a little straighter since the others are tilted. And joy will need to go on the tree. Okay, probably right where this light bulb is. Whoa, bag burst. Just cleaning that up a little bit, like so. And then we can just put a few little holly sprigs around. Get a little water. And these will help glue that on too. So either 1 or 3. And then the Noel fell down. I think I'm just going to stick a few in that bow area there. Maybe just one little sprig here, just to break up that gold a little. Maybe just the 2 of them. And I think we are about there. Okay. Okay, one more on the board. Jeez, I don't know when to stop. Put some buttercream on that little puppy. Here we go. It's all ready for your lovely Christmas. So it's a little bit more on the elegant side, I would say. Remember that the disco dust, that's non-toxic, so take those pieces off. You can save those, pretty cool. Remember to put some of these things on when you get there. Anything that, you know, these more loose things and the bow loops. And I think you can have a lot of fun with this. You can certainly change it up. Like I said, I just wanted to use those colors, 2 shades of green, really 3 shades if you count that, and then the red and gold. All right, so I hope you enjoy this one. I know I have. I really like this one. Okay, Merry Christmas, everyone.